Series UAE Transfer Pricing Workbook, Part 1 of 37. Title: FTA Audit Pack Index Single Printable Index. Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. You're watching Part 1 of 38 in our UAE Transfer Pricing Workbook series created to help tax, finance, and compliance teams strengthen UAE transfer pricing compliance and prepare confidently for an FTA compliance audit. In this first part, we start with one of the most important control tools in the entire file, the FTA Audit Pack Index. The objective of this sheet is simple. It provides a single, printable index of your full transfer pricing audit pack so every working paper, schedule, and supporting document can be found quickly, referenced clearly, and reproduced consistently during an audit. Now, let's briefly explain what this index contains and why it matters. This table is structured by section, with each section showing the related deliverable or working paper, plus tracking fields such as owner, status, and a reference link so you always know what is complete, what is pending, and where each file is located. Here's what the key sections typically include. Point 1. Governance. This covers the executive summary and control panel, which sets the tone for audit readiness and overall file control. 2. Entity setup. This is your entity master and related parties data, one of the first areas the FTA may test for completeness and accuracy. 3. Transaction register. This includes your transactions and line-level disclosures, including RPT disclosure lines at a transaction level critical for transparency and reconciliation. For TP analysis, this is where the technical work sits. FAR analysis, method selection, comparables and benchmarking, and outcomes testing and adjustments, the core elements of transfer pricing defensibility. 5. The disclosures. This section typically includes the UAE disclosures summary, the RPT disclosure form draft, and the connected persons register and schedule, all high focus areas during an FTA audit. 6. Evidence. An evidence index linking to key support documents, which strengthens traceability and audit reproducibility. 7. CBCR, a dedicated area for CBCR control, reporting, and evidence, where applicable. 8. Audit defense, an audit defense dashboard used to respond quickly to FTA queries with clear references. 9. Compliance, a final documentation checklist to confirm completeness before submission or audit review. From an FTA audit perspective, this index is powerful because it demonstrates control, governance, and traceability. Instead of searching through folders, you can direct the auditor to the exact working paper and evidence link quickly and professionally. What's coming next? In the next part of this series, we will move into the early control areas, starting with governance and entity setup, and how to organize related party data in a way that supports your TP disclosures and audit defense. This is part 1 of 37, and we still have many important sections to cover. So, to be continued, and if you want more practical guidance on UAE transfer pricing, TP disclosure, and FTA audit readiness, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.